Hello everybody! Many of you learners of French have been telling yourself or have been telling me, if only I could be at the top of the mountain of my French learning, having achieved the complete ascension to the top, and I would shout to everyone, I got there, I've made it, I can speak French fluently. It just so happens that my mission is to accompany you, learners of French, to achieve just that. So I have a question for you. Do you know how much progress can be really achieved in less than 20 hours? If you want to find out, please click on the link leading you to a video which will explain just that, the Google shorten link. So, see you in a minute.